In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on Google on your laptop. First of all, you want to go to google.com. Then you can click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you can click on History and click on History again. Here you see all your browse history, all your browsing data. Here you see the browsing data of today, and when you scroll down, you see the browsing data of the other days. You can delete one page, you can delete two pages, or you can clear all of your browsing data. If you want to delete specific pages, you can select the pages you want to delete. And then you can click on Delete and remove. Okay, if you want to delete all of your data, of the data of today, you can click on Clear Browsing Data. Here you can choose what history you want to delete. Do you want to delete your browsing data of the last hour or last 7 days or maybe all time? Then you can click on all time. Here you can select what you want to delete. So do you want to delete your browsing history, clears history including in the search box? Do you also want to delete your cookies and other site data? Note that when you select this, it will sign you out of most sites. So you have to log in again. And you can select cached images and files. Okay, for now we only want to delete our browsing history. And we select all time. Then you can select or click on clear data. Okay. Then we go to the three dots again, click on history, and you'll see no history,